Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to embed a PDF flyer directly into the body of your Gmail message instead of sending it as an attachment. This technique makes your emails more eye-catching and professional. First, you need to convert your PDF into an image format. For that, open your browser and go to this website. On the side, click the option to convert PDF to JPEG online. Then upload your PDF file by clicking choose a PDF file and selecting your document. Next, select excellent quality from the drop down menu to ensure your image is sharp and clear. Now click convert PDF to JPEG and wait a moment for the process to finish. Once converted, the JPEG file will be saved to your computer. Now open Gmail and click Compose to start a new email. In the Compose window, click the Insert Photo in the icon at the bottom. This lets you add images directly inside your email. Select Upload, then browse to find and upload your downloaded JPEG flyer. The image will now appear embedded in your email body. You can resize it or reposition it as needed. And that's it. You have successfully embedded a PDF flyer as an image in your Gmail message, making your email stand out without any attachments. Thanks for watching, and please, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy email tips.